Shoutout kay Commissioner Bro Sherwin Amelon.
Salamat po.
Ano masasabi natin sa ating paliga, Coach Commissioner?
Okay, naka-season 30 na yata tayo dito pero okay. So far okay pa naman eh.
Alright.
Wala naman kaguluhan pero okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yun. Shoutout kay Commissioner Sherwin Amelon. Alright. Okay, second game tayo.
Alright,
All-Star Koyas versus Talatlo Thai team. Okay, jump ball between Rivera and number 4. Alright. Keep it. Dinababa yung bola. Pass it to Cummings. Rivera.
Number 5. Back to number 4. Number 4. Pass by Hoyas. Set to shoot.
Number 4, umangat. Basket count para kay number 4. Foul committed by
4-point shot.
basket. Yung bonus shot ni number 4. Kompleto yung 3-point play niya. Alright.
0 to 28.
Peña.
7.
Cummings being harassed ni number 5. Peña. Pull up J. Wala nga lang. Rebound ni Bagakay. Put back. Wala nga lang. Number 11. Binababa yung bola. Pass it to number 48. 48. Pass it to number 4. For 3.
No good.
Rebound. Rivera. Keep it for 3. Wala nga lang. Rebound ni Peña.
Number 11. Number 5. Play the ball.
Number 5.
Ball to lead.
Number 4. Pass it to number 11. Fake. Drive and pass. Intercepted by Bagakay. Tuloy-tuloy. Alright. Basket count para kay Bagakay. And 1. Right. Bagakay bonus free throw. Basket. Kompleto yung 3-point play ni Bagakay. Alright. Rotate.
Reserve timeout. All-Star Kuyas. All-Star Kuyas.
Score.
Early timeout by All-Star Kuyas.
For
Medyo may plano sila. Timeout. This is
All-Star Koyas. Talatlo 5. Alright. Big shout out sa ating referee, si Bro Allen, Bro Gary, and Bro Sherwin Amelon. Alright. Number 23 pounding the ball, pass it to number 5.
Cummings. Number 7.
Peña.
There's Ad. Here comes number 40. Number 23. Catch the shoot. No good. 11. 2 points. 1 out. 7. Number 7 to number 28.
Bagakay. Intercepted by Bagakay. Bagakay all the way. Lays in basket.
2 points.
Para kay Bagakay, number 28. Alright.
By All-Star Kuya. ball. With 23. 40. Number 11 drives. Get by number 5. 7 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
24 shot clock violation. Keep it. Signaling a play, pass it to Cummings. Keep it. Peña.
7. To Cobbins. Cobbins. Voila. Ball get on parade.
Bagakay for 3.
No good.
Rivera, put back.
There's a foul.
First free throw ni Rivera, basket. Second free throw,
Rivera.
2 for 2 para kay Rivera. Alright.
For 3. No good. Rebound by Cobbins. Cobbins to number 0. Number 0. Will make it easily.
Keep it, 2 points. Alright.
10 to shoot. 2 points. Number 23. Remaining time 4 minutes. 4-3. No good. Rebound by 23. 15 to shoot. Number 4. 48.
Bagakay. Pass it to Cummings
Number 24.
for 3.
No good. Rebound by Talatu.
Score 9-7 in favor of All-Star Coyas. Alright. Cummings inbounding the ball.
Number 0 to 28. 4-3.
Bagakay for 3. Bang, bang, bang.
3
Alright.
points. Number 28. Number 48 to 11.
11.
Pass number 4 leads to number 5. There's the foul.
Number 5.
First throw.
First free throw, no
No good.
basket.
Second throw, miss rebound. 1 point.
1 out of 1. 1 out of 2 para kay number 5.
28 for 3.
Bagakay for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Back to back threes para kay Bagakay. Alright. Back.
Number 11. Driving. Number 5. Ball.
Okay? Libre na to. Easy 2 points para kay Kipit.
2 points.
Alright.
17 against 8 in favor of All-Star Kuya. 3
for
Rebound Cummins. Cummins, number 7. Still good. Get by number 4 to 48. 15 to shoot. Number 5 to 11 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 28. Football pass number 0.
And 1 para kay Kipit, number 0. Bonus free throw ni Kipit.
Warning for penalty.
Basket. Kompleto yung 3-point play ni Kipit. Alright.
Time. 1 minute for the first period. 48 to 11.
Number 11, fake.
Drive, pass to,
Ay,
pass to.
pass it to nowhere. All right. Cummings, pass it to, yun o, nice block.
Block
Number
by
4. All right. Cummings inbounding the ball, pass it to Kipit. Kipit, fake. Pagkakay, strong drive to the basket. Basket para kay number 28, Pagkakay.
Then to shoot.
23, pull-up jumper.
No good.
Pass break para kay Kipit. Follow-up ni... alright.
Basket. No basket.
No basket, sabi ni referee. Score 22-8. End of the first quarter. Alright.
Oops. Out of bounds, number 27, same ball. Four three, Zach. Voila. Rebound. No good. Here comes Salatlo. Number 13 to number 12 to number 3. Pass to number. Zach to number 28.
Pagkakay for 3.
No good. There's a foul happening. Number, warning for technical, number 27, tapping of hands. Net to shoot. Five to shoot. No good. Rebound. Ellen. Bakakay. There is a foul. No good. Second throw.
One out of 2 para kay Pagkakay.
Against 23, Maymore, All-Star Korea. Here comes Talaklo, number 13 to 15. There is a kicking of the ball at the left. To 13.
Number 12 for 3.
No good. Rebound by number 1. Here comes next.
Sek.
Number 1.
Sek.
Looking for teammate. No.
Villanueva.
Villanueva. To Tumalan. To Bagakay.
Pagkakay for 3.
No good. Rebound by number 3. Number
Number
3.
three.
To be
Number
for 2.
15.
Short. Rebound by Jordan pass to number 58.
Number 68 for 3. Overshoot.
Here comes the 2. Number 13. Using the ball. Earth. 27.
27.
Number 5.
Number 15.
No good. Off that for you now. Number 1.
Pagkakay. Basket count para kay Pagkakay. Easy 2 points.
12. And that's for 3.
Step back.
No good. Rebound. Talatlo again. To M. To Earth. Earth for 2. No good. Short. Rebound by All-Star Kuya. Here comes
Villanueva.
To Bagakay.
Pagkakay for 3.
No good. 68. To Bagakay. No good. Villanueva. Wala ka rin. Here comes Talatlo. M. Get by number 1. Number 1.
Villanueva inbounding the ball.
Blocked by number 15.
Bagakay.
To Villanueva. For 2.
Villanueva jumper.
Rebound by Latlu. Here comes Latlu. Latlu to number 3. Easy layup. 2 points. Deserves about Tuyas. Villanueva.
Timeout All-Star Koyas.
Tuyas.
Score 25-12. All-Star Koyas. Alright. Villanueva inbounding the ball. Pass it to Sak. Sak. Pass it to Bagakay. Bagakay. Lays in. Basket para kay Bagakay.
The presence of Madam Rachel over there. UNS. Madam Rachel, we see you there. 4-3. No good. Villanueva.
Villanueva.
2 points.
2 points. Alright.
Number 15 for 2.
15.
No good. Rebound by Villanueva. Here comes Villanueva. Villanueva. Here comes Jojo. To number 1, 2, short. Number 30. Number 3 again for layup. Alright.
Alright, number 3 all the way to the basket. Alright, all alone.
Villanueva. To number 1. Left to shoot.
Bagakay for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Para kay Bagakay.
Number 1. 20. Number 30.
Xiangli, jumper, wala nga lang. Nakuha ni Cummings.
Intercepted. Nope.
Villanueva, pull up J. Wala nga lang. Nakuha ni.
Rebound. There's a foul. Number 28. Here comes the blue. Intercepted by Shangri. To Villanueva.
Villanueva,
Number 1.
Sak. Nice basket
Basket.
para kay Sak.
Cummings to
Nice pass.
Shangri. Yes, sir.
Nice
Points.
basket
All-Star Korea.
para kay Xiangli. Alright.
Number 3, dribbling the ball. Number 13. Back to number 3. Number 27.
27. Number 12. Paid
For three.
for 3.
No good. Rebound. Number intercepted by number 1. Zach now. 27 for 2. No good. Rebound. Oops.
Number 15 inbounding the ball. Pass it to number 3 for 3.
No good. Rebound. 28 to number 1. Number 1. Back to Jojo to Bagakay. No good. Rebound to that blue. Here comes number 13. Earth to M. M for 3. No good. Number 9 up. 20 seconds. Tumalat. Wala. Get by Earth. It's okay. Good. Comment. Wala pa rin. Set.
Easy 2 points para kay number 15. Alright.
Score 36 against 16 in favor of All-Star Korea.
A big shout out kay Madam Rachel Yap Hamila, kay Sir Danny Oy, at saka kay Ma'am Charmoya. Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter action.
15 to number 4. Drives. Pass to 15. No good. 15 again. Oops.
First free throw ni number 15, basket.
Second throw. No good.
1 out of 2. Rebound ni number 4.
No good. Rebound by Shaq. To number 7. Cyrus. Cyrus. Oops. Alright, number 5. To number 3. To number 5. Pong. To 7. 27. No good. Rebound 15.
Nice putback para kay number 15. Alright. Keep it. Nagtitimon. Pass it to Cummings. Cummings. Baseline drive.
Number 3. 27. Number 5. Number 4. Please. To Paul. Paul, 15 for 2.
15. Pull up J.
Bandang tira yan. 2 points.
Using the glass. 2 points para kay number 15.
Ang pa rin ang mga All-Star Kuya.
Keep it for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Para kay Kipit.
3 points. Number 0. Here comes Alan Blue. Number 5. To number 15. Back to Paul. Back to 15. For 2.
15.
Back to Paul again. Paul.
First free throw ni number 5, basket.
Number 5 again.
Second free throw. Basket count. 2 for 2 para kay number 5. Alright.
Here comes All-Star Kuya. Shuckling. Jojo. Jojo. Looks for teammate. Back to 0.
Keep it for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Back-to-back threes para kay number 0. Keep it. Alright.
Here comes Ball. Ball. Back to Ball again. Back to teammate number 3.
Pong for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Para kay number 5. Pong. Alright. 3 points. Number 7. Baseline drive. Block by number 15.
Jojo. Pass to
Intercepted. O, yan o.
Balik sa Pinoy. Pula. 25. Jojo now. For Shuckling. What a magic shot.
Pong, pull up J. No basket.
That's the Shuckling. Oops. There is a contact. And there is a foul. Number 4. Begin. Hammonds now. To Jojo. Jojo to Hammonds for 3.
Cummings for 3.
Oh, good. Rebound by. Oops. Intercepted by Jojo. Number 0 for
Keep
3.
it for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Para kay Kipit. Mulan ng 3 para kay Kipit. Alright, number 0.
All-Star Kuya. Lee. Number 12.
12 for 3.
No good. Rebound by Jojo. Jojo to Shuckling. Number 0. Number 0. To Cummings.
Cummings for 3. Malakas nga lang.
Here comes Bong now. Bong driving. Bong driving. Oops. Just need to shoot. Bong now. Nice ball. Intercepted by Zach. Number 1, easy layup. 2 points. Ball to number 4. Back to Bong driving. No good. Rebound by Jojo. Jojo looking for teammate. Pass to Cyrus. Rivera to Cyrus. Cyrus to Zach. Zach for 3.
For 3.
No good. Rebound by. Oops. Rebound by Rivera, but cannot look at the ball. Here comes Earth. Earth driving. Earth driving. Here comes Earth for 2.
Nice
one.
reverse
2 points.
layup
Earth.
for number 13. All right.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Oops, intercepted. No. Shanley got the ball to Jojo. To Zach. Zach intercepted by Talatlo. Back to Jojo. No good. Rivera to Shanley. 2 points.
Sige, awan bayad na. Awan direnta-renta na.
For 3. No good. Rebound by Talatlo.
Ayan na, kita kan? Ayan na.
Earth driving. No good.
Ayan na ni Pasip.
Rebound by Jojo. Third time out, Kuya.
Nagpunto man na yun.
Seconds.
Ay, nagpunto man na yun. Sige na, matandaan to karoon.
Sabre. Right to shoot.
Okay.
End of the third period. Score 30 against 51.
All-Star Koyas ang may kalamangan. Alright. Ay, isa pa, pre, isa pa.
Follow nyo, Edwin TV.
Shout out kay Bro Kipit, number 0 ng All-Star Koyas. Alright.
Start of the fourth period.
Kipit for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Para kay Kipit, number 0.
0 for 3 points.
100% ang shooting range niya sa
To number 23.
3-point line. Alright. Kipit.
Teammate. Pass to 23 for 3. Wala. Rebound by Kamens. Kamens to Rivera. Rivera now to number 0 again. Here comes number 0. So Kamens back to 0. To 28. Bagay. Driving the ball.
Gakay, lays in.
No good. Rebound by Rivera.
Kipit for 3. Supply.
Nope. Here comes Earth.
4 out of 5 para sa 3-point play kay Kipit.
28 for 3.
Pagkakay for 3. Bang, bang, bang.
Bagay for 3. Tatlo now. Earth. To number 48. To Earth. Earth again. Nice.
Nice
2
shot.
points.
For number 13. Sack, signaling a play. Pass it to Kipit for 3.
Tatlo ball.
Score 57-32. All-Star Koyas. 23. 15. Putback, wala pa rin. No basket para kay number 15. First free throw. Second free throw. Basket. 1 out of 2 para kay number 15. All right.
Here comes Zach.
Okay.
Dribbling the ball.
Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter action.
Earth got the ball. Earth. Earth now. Earth to number 23 to M to 15. Nice. 2 points.
2 points for number 15. All right. 28 for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Para kay Bagakay. All right.
Earth to number 23.
15, pull up J. No basket, rebound ni Bagakay. Bagakay, outlet pass para kay Kipit. Kipit.
Comments. To Zach. Here comes Earth to M. M
Number 12 for 3.
Oh, good. Rebound by Cummins. Reserve substitution. Reserve voting. Reserve for substitution.
Bagakay for 3.
No good. Rebound by Black Blue. Earth to M. M for 3. Oh, good. Ball.
Easy Potek para kay number 5. All right.
5 more minutes. Comments. No good. Rebound by number 15. Earth to 23. To M. Oops. Pinasakay na lang. Number 3. Point again. Nice.
Nice 2 points for number 2. Ay, number 3. I'm sorry.
Reserve substitution. Oops. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. And intercepts the ball. And to number 3. Number 3. Too much. Here comes number 7. Cyrus. Oops. Intercepted by M. And to number 3. Number 3 to M. And for 3.
Offline ngayon itong number 12. He can't able to convert that 3-point shot.
Jojo said, relax. All-Star Kuya. Intercepted by Black Blue. Here comes Black Blue. Alright, here comes All-Star Kuya. All-Star Kuya comments to Jojo, to Shangli. 2 points.
2 points, Xiangli.
Reserve timeout for Black Blue. Reserve substitution.
Number 3 for 3. No basket.
Rebound by Jojo. Here comes Villanueva. So comments.
Nice
2
basket
points.
para kay Cummings. Number 68. All right.
For 2. Wow.
High looper para kay number 15. Basket count.
3 points. Fade away 3. What is it? Floating 3. Jojo.
Kanya for 3.
No
No
good.
basket.
Rebound by Black Blue. Pass to M. Here comes M. M to number 3. Number 3. Back to M. M for 3. Good. M again. M again. M for 3. Oh. Got it. For 3. Rebound by Paul. Paul dribbling the ball. Here comes Paul. Paul driving. Paul. Oh, good. There you go. Back. Back. Protected by Blue. Number three driving. Shot.
No basket. Score 64-42. All-Star Koyas ang may kalamangan.
Number three again.
Second free throw. No basket. Rebound ni Villanueva. Intercepted. Ayan, nakuha. Cyrus Peña.
Here comes the Blue. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Oops. Oops. Intercepted by Kamen. Pass to Allen. Number 11 driving. Okay. Lee. 2 points.
Nice putback para kay number 4. All right.
15. Cyrus.
Peña for 3.
Oh, good. For 3. Short. 11. 2 points. Basket count. But the game is over.
All right, that's it for the ball game. And the winner is All-Star Koyas. Ayan, nagkamayan na. Final score 64
Alright.
46.
Best player of the game, number 28, Bandakay. Let's have him take a photo.
Monito. Okay.
Best player of the game, Bagakay, number 28. All right.
1, 2, 3.